Welcome. In this video we'll see how to manage multiple pipelines in Odoo CRM. First of all, go to Settings, then Sales Teams menu. I've created 2 sales teams as you can see it here. Now I will assign salesperson members to both teams. Now go to Sales, then My Pipeline menu. Here you'll see that person who is logged in. It will show default pipeline of that person. Now click Sales menu, then Teams menu. Here you'll see the teams which were created from Configuration, Sales Teams menu. Now, open any sales channel. You'll see stage-wise pipeline of selected sales team. Now click Sales menu, then Teams menu and create stage. You can fold, unfold the newly created stage and move any lead to new stage. Now you can see that newly created stage is showing to both teams. 1. Pre-sales. 2. Sales, which it should not be showing. To solve that, click Setting icon, then Edit button and select Sales Teams in which you want to show the stage. Now refresh the page. Then you'll not see newly created stage in this Sales pipeline. It'll only show in Pre-sales pipeline. Same way you can create new stage for Sales Team pipeline and assign it to only Sales Team, so it will show that stage to Sales Team only. You can see different stages of pipeline, sales teams wise. Now go to My Pipeline menu and open any lead. In Contacts tab you can assign leads to another sales team. You also have to change salesperson for that lead to see the effect. Now you can see it is not showing to this sales channel. Now go to Teams menu and open Sales Team, where you can see the lead which was assigned to Mark Demo from Mitchell Admin. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to get updated on new features on Odoo.